Best deals.
1. Toothbrush holder. Adorable banana-shaped toothbrush cap make brushing fun and engaging for toddlers and young children, encouraging healthy brushing habits. Helps protect toothbrush bristles from dust and bacteria, keeping them clean and dry after every use. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Desk bag hanger. Crafted from top-grade aluminum alloy, this ring-shaped folding removable hanger ensures durability and strength. Its robust construction ensures it can reliably support a variety of bags, including backpacks, purses, and wallets. The folding women handbag holder keeps your bag clean and you don't need to put the bag on the dirty floor or in a crowded chair. You can just hang your purse right next to you, keeps it in your sight, which will be more safe, can be attached to any flat surface with an edge, such as desks, tables, and counters. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Mincer crusher. Bowl-shaped design gathers crushed garlic for easy scooping into your dish. Apply gentle downward pressure and rock back and forth to mince garlic quickly and easily. Stainless steel naturally removes garlic smell from your hands after use. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Yogurt strainer. Featuring a fine filtration grid, the yogurt strainer effectively separates whey from yogurt, producing thicker and creamier results. Perfect for Greek yogurt lovers, this home kitchen yogurt strainer ensures you're getting the ideal consistency quickly and effortlessly, making homemade yogurt a delight. Equipped with a spring-loaded yogurt press, the strainer optimizes the pressure applied during straining. This feature ensures an even and thorough separation of whey, enhancing the texture and richness of your yogurt without requiring constant attention, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Hangers. These stylishly designed metal hangers are slim but able to hold up to 4 kg. With their wide opening, removing your scarf, belt, tie, pashmina, or sari easily and snag-free. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Water dispenser. This Scotch decanter will aerate your wine or any beverage as well. His lead-free decanter is recommended to be hand-washed. Includes glass decanter stopper and mahogany stained wood display. The silicone-lined wood lid seals the liquid inside, which helps prevent spills during transport. It also keeps unwanted things from falling or flying into your drinks. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Glass bowls. Includes 4 glass bowls with matching glass lids and a beautifully crafted wooden tray, perfect for serving dry fruits, snacks, or condiments. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Electric salt and pepper grinder. High-capacity pepper mill and salt grinder reduces frequent refilling, ideal home essentials products for kitchen use. Convenient top-fill seasoning design prevents spills. Built-in LED light ensures precise control while grinding. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Tissue paper holder. Crafted with high-quality materials, designed to be a reliable toilet paper holder, the product holds the toilet paper roll securely. It's a perfect toilet roll holder for bathroom, adding functionality and style. Designed with a robust adhesive. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Gas stove stand. Made of aluminium iron alloy, is safe and odorless, has good slip resistance, high temperature resistance. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Toothpick dispenser. A quirky, cartoon-inspired toothpick holder shaped like a friendly character with bulging eyes and a cheerful expression. Simply push the top to release a single toothpick from the dispenser, providing convenient access. Compact square shape allows for easy carrying and storage in the kitchen, home, or restaurant. Toothpicks are neatly contained within the holder and can be retracted when not in use. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Toilet brush. Add sophistication and functionality to your bathroom with silicone toilet brush and holder. This stylish and modern design perfectly complement any decor, while offering long-lasting and effective cleaning. Easy to clean gaps, deep cleaner. Hidden handle clip design. Kind and small clip hide in the handle top for convenient, labor-saving and hands-free. The toilet brush holder features a stable base made of thickened ABS material that prevents tipping or collapsing. Its hollow drainage system allows excess water to drip into the removable water storage drawer, keeping the brush head clean and dry. Brush is made of premium TPR silicone with soft yet durable bristles which easily clean your toilet without damaging its glaze. The 360 degrees bristles effectively remove dead spot stains in hard-to-reach areas, ensuring a thorough and deep clean. Toilet brushes with holders, quick drying holder drying speed. Bacteria are not easy to breed. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Mop effortlessly cleans floors, mirrors, windows, tables and walls with 360-degree rotating flat head for spotless shine in every corner. Adjustable lightweight handle reduces back strain and bending, making it perfect for elderly. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Plastic storage drawer. Made from high-quality, thick plastic with a strong base and reinforced sides, a durable plastic storage rack built for long-term daily use in any home organizers and storage setup. Features 4 deep drawer storage compartments that provide ample room while saving space. Perfect storage drawers organizer for office drawer storage or baby things organizer storage. Includes 2 extra basket and 8 sturdy hooks to store bottles, socks, baby items, or accessories. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Garlic grinder. It adopts a special leverage mechanism that requires the minimum effort to operate, even suitable for people with weak hand strength. A garlic press made of zinc alloy is light and strong. It crushes finely and evenly, and with a grid of small holes, it is designed to make fine and even garlic paste. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Laundry bags. Made from durable and high-quality mesh material, ensuring long-lasting performance and protection for your garments. Features a reliable zip-lock mechanism that securely seals the bags, preventing any spillage or damage to your clothes. The mesh construction allows water and detergent to flow through while preventing tangling, snags, or stretching of your delicate items. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Organizer. The transparent body of the storage box makes it easy for users to see the items inside at a glance, whether it's laundry beads, jewelry or other small items, they can quickly find what they need. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Hot pads. 100% heat resistant, antibacterial and durable. Use it as a mat or coaster to protect your kitchen surfaces, dining table, countertops or any heat-sensitive surfaces from scalding dishware. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Grater. The design is precise but the operation is convenient. The handle and the knife cup are easy to rotate, and the cutting speed and food size can be fully controlled in the process of food processing. Exquisite workmanship, gorgeous design, convenient loading and unloading, and use. The knife cup is sharp and durable, and easy to clean. This grater will not crack, warp or melt even in the high heat of the dishwasher. The surface of the product is forged and polished, which is durable and has a long service life. With our rotary drum grater, you can get food preparation more efficiently with minimum effort. Product link is given in the 17th link.